Hello, and welcome to the English Flow podcast. My name is Lucas. I am very happy to be here with you today. Thank you for listening. Today we have a very special episode. We are talking about time management for busy people. Do you have a lot of things to do? Is your day very short? Do not worry. We will help you. Before we start, please subscribe to the English Flow podcast. Click the subscribe button now. When you subscribe, you help us make more episodes. You will learn more English with us. It is free and it is very helpful. So please subscribe right now. Now let us talk about time. Time is very important. Let us learn how to use it well. Time management is the way we organize our day. Everyone has 24 hours in one day. Rich people have 24 hours. Busy people have 24 hours. You have 24 hours too. But some people do many things. Other people do nothing. Why is this? It is because of time management. When you manage your time, you are the boss. You decide what to do. You decide when to work. You decide when to rest. This is a very good skill. It helps you at your job. It helps you at your school. It helps you at your home. When you control your time, you feel happy. You do not feel stress. Stress is bad for you. Good time management stops stress. The first step is to make a list. This is very simple, but very powerful. Every morning, take a piece of paper, take a pen, write down everything you need to do. Write, go to the bank. Write, cook dinner. Write, study English. When you see your tasks on paper, it is easier. Your brain is clear. You do not forget things. When you finish a task, you cross it out. This feels very good. It makes you feel strong. It makes you want to do more work. Please try this tomorrow morning. Make a simple list of your tasks. It will change your day. You will see exactly what you must do. Next, you must look at your list. You must choose the most important things. Not all tasks are the same. Some tasks are very important. Some tasks are not important. For example, going to work is important. Watching television is not important. You must do the important things first. Do the hard things in the morning. In the morning, you have energy. Your brain is fresh. Do not wait until the night. At night, you are tired. If you do the big tasks first, the day becomes easy. This is called prioritizing. You put the number one task first. Then you do number two, then number three. Do not start with easy and unimportant things. Now, let us talk about distractions. A distraction is something that stops you from working. The biggest distraction is your phone. Your phone is a tool, but it is also a problem. Social media is very fun. Games are very fun, but they take your time. You look at your phone for 1 minute. Suddenly, 1 hour is gone. This is bad for time management. When you work, put your phone away. Put it in another room. Turn it off. Do not look at it. Tell your friends you are busy. When you focus, you work fast. When you look at your phone, you work slow. Protect your time from your phone. Another good tip is to use a timer. This is a fun game for your brain. Set a timer for 25 minutes. Say to yourself, I will work for 25 minutes. I will not stop. Then work hard. When the timer rings, stop. Now you can take a break. Take a break for 5 minutes. Walk around, drink water, relax. Then set the timer again. This helps you focus. 25 minutes is not a long time. You can work for 25 minutes. This method is very popular. It helps many busy people. It keeps your brain fresh. You do not get bored. You work fast and you rest well. You must also learn to say no. This is very hard for many people. We want to be nice. We want to help everyone. But you cannot do everything. You do not have enough time. If a friend asks you to go out, but you have work, you must say no. You can say, I am sorry. I am busy today. This is polite. It is okay to say no. When you say no to things you do not need, you have time for things you need. You have time for your family. You have time for your health. You have time to learn English. Protect your time. It is yours. A clean space helps you save time. Look at your desk. Is it messy? Look at your room. Is it messy? When your space is messy, your mind is messy. You lose things. You look for your keys. You look for your papers. This wastes time. Spend 10 minutes every day cleaning. Put your pens in a cup. Put your papers in a folder. Make your bed. When your house is clean, you feel calm. You can start work immediately. You do not waste time looking for things. Organization is a big part of time management. Keep your life simple and clean. Let us talk about sleep. Sleep is very important for time management. This sounds strange, right? But it is true. If you do not sleep, you are tired. When you are tired, you work slowly. You make mistakes. You have to do the work again. This wastes a lot of time. You need 7 or 8 hours of sleep. Go to bed early. Wake up early. When you are rested, you are fast. You are smart. You solve problems quickly. Good sleep gives you more time because you are more efficient. Do not work late at night. Sleep well and work better the next day. You should also prepare for the next day. Do this every evening. Before you go to sleep, think about tomorrow. What will you wear? What will you eat for breakfast? What work will you do? Get your clothes ready, pack your bag, make your lunch. When you wake up, everything is ready. You do not rush. You do not feel stress in the morning. You start your day with peace. This saves you 20 or 30 minutes every morning. It is a very small habit, but it helps a lot. Preparation is the key to a good day. Do one thing at a time. Some people try to do two things at the same time. They cook and talk on the phone. They write emails and watch TV. This is called multitasking. It is not good. When you do two things, you do them badly. You are not focused. It takes more time to finish. Focus on one task. Finish it. Then start the next task. When you give 100% attention to one thing, you finish fast. The quality is good. You feel proud. Do not split your brain. Be present in one moment with one task. Deadlines are very helpful. A deadline is a time when you must finish. If you do not have a deadline, you work slowly. You take all day. Give yourself a deadline. Tell yourself, I must finish this report by 2 p.m. When you have a time limit, you work faster. You do not waste time. You focus on the goal. Even if your boss does not give you a deadline, you can make one. Challenge yourself. Try to beat the clock. It makes work like a game. It helps you manage your busy schedule much better. Routine is your best friend. A routine is doing the same thing at the same time every day. Wake up at the same time. Eat lunch at the same time. Start work at the same time. When you have a routine, you do not have to think. Your body knows what to do. It becomes automatic. Habits are powerful. Good habits save mental energy. You do not waste time deciding what to do. You just do it. Build a strong daily routine. Stick to it. It will make your busy life feel much easier and smoother. Remember to take care of your health. We talked about sleep, but food and exercise are important too. If you eat bad food, you feel heavy. You feel sleepy. You cannot manage your time well. Eat vegetables. Eat fruit. Drink a lot of water. Also move your body. Walk, run, or do yoga. Exercise gives you energy. When you have energy, you can do more things in less time. Healthy people are productive people. Your body is the machine that does the work. Keep the machine in good condition. This is vital for time management. Finally, be patient with yourself. Time management is a skill. It takes time to learn. You will have bad days. You will make mistakes. You will waste time sometimes. That is okay. Do not be angry at yourself. Tomorrow is a new day. Try again. Look at what went wrong. Learn from it. Maybe you need a better list. Maybe you need more sleep. Adjust your plan. keep trying. Step by step, you will get better. You will become the master of your time. Thank you for listening to this long episode on time management. I hope these 15 tips help you. Being busy is hard, but you can control your time. Remember to make lists. Remember to sleep well. Remember to focus. If you like this episode, please subscribe to the English Flow podcast. Share this with your friends who are busy. Leave a comment and tell me your best time tip. I am Lucas, and I will see you in the next episode. Keep learning English and have a wonderful, productive day.